ఇప్పుడు లోక్సభ సమావేశాలు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Listening this kind of issues, लेकिन मैडम मैं मंत्री जी को अपना ध्यान आकर्षण करना चाहते हैं कि आज बंगाल में जो हो रहे हैं इसको थोड़ा आप गौर से देखिए. बंगाल अभी बेबी ट्रेड की हब बन चुके हैं. बंगाल में आज सैकड़ों बच्चे बंगाल से तस्करी होने की आज शिकार बन चुके हैं. बिस्किट की कार्टून में बच्चे को रखा जाता है. नर्सिंग होम, ये सरकारी पार्टी जो है वहाँ उनकी मदद से जो नर्सिंग होम है, ये नर्सिंग होम सारे बेबी ट्रेड की हब बन चुके हैं. ये बंगाल में आज सारे हिंदुस्तान नहीं बल्कि दुनिया से आज तस्करी करने के लिए बंगाल आते हैं. ये बंगाल को इस हालत से बचाइए. मंत्री जी आप खुद ये एडॉप्शन की जो पॉलिसी है, ये एडॉप्शन की जो पॉलिसी है, चिल्ड्रन केयर की जो पॉलिसी है, ये पॉलिसी को सुधार कीजिए. और बंगाल में जो आज हो रहे हैं वो हम सब के लिए शर्मिंदा की बात है. ये
Yes, no, you don't have any question. What is it? It's okay. Venugopal, this is not the question at all. You don't have any question.
Suggestion.
You have any answer? Because he has not asked any question. Only allegations.
Ma'am,
yes?
it is not just West Bengal. There, for many years, since before independence, there has been this terrible reverse of women who have a baby and then are told that that baby is dead, and then that child is then trafficked or sold. And this used to mainly happen with children that were going abroad. This particular case in West Bengal, a lot of children were trafficked by several nursing homes, and they, in fact, one of the people who presumably was trafficked and sold to or adopted by a foreign couple is now working with us. He's come back to India and he's working with us for foster care. He's a very fine young man. But however, this is not just a West Bengal program. CARA is now one of the strictest institutions in the government. We every single day keep a watch on everything. Now when I became minister, there was not even a list of the number of orphanages in India. There was no number of children that were available. Now we have done an intensive study. We know which child is going where. We keep, it's absolutely a minute-to-minute monitoring. Every time we get a complaint about any suspected nursing home, including the ones that you have talked about, then action is taken. In fact, the action that was taken in the nursing homes in West Bengal was done at my instance and our instance of the ministry. So if the members of parliament here could, even every time they suspect something happening, could bring it to our notice, we take immediate action. This is an area of that is being dealt with very strictly.
Anurag Thakur.
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय. उत्तर में मंत्रालय ने और माननीय मंत्री जी ने ये कहा है, एक तो डॉन बॉस्को नेशनल फोरम की रिपोर्ट में भी आंकड़े दिए गए कि किस शहर में कितने कितने बच्चे हैं, और उसके अलावा उत्तर में बड़ा स्पष्ट तौर पर कहा गया है कि द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट इज इम्प्लीमेंटिंग ICPS program through state governments and UT administrations with the objective to create a safe and secure environment for overall development of the child